Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble chewing gum. First, gather your essential ingredients: about 100 grams of gum base, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Also, have your favorite flavorings and a few drops of food coloring ready. Prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and having a heat-safe bowl nearby. Next, gently melt your gum base. You can use a double boiler or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring between each. The goal is to get it soft and pliable, not liquid. Stir frequently to ensure a smooth, even consistency. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can make the gum too sticky and difficult to work with later. Now it is time to mix. Add 2 tablespoons of corn syrup and 1 teaspoon of glycerin to your melted gum base, stirring well. Then, gradually incorporate 1 cup of powdered sugar, about 1/4 cup at a time, until a firm dough begins to form. Finally, knead in your desired flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. For the final steps, roll out your gum dough on parchment paper to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a knife or cookie cutters to create your desired shapes, perhaps small squares or fun circles. Dust each finished piece with a little extra powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Now your homemade bubble gum is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.